Always struggling to connect your phone to your car's audio? Or tired of those cheap Bluetooth adapters that drop connection, sound poor, or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the LENCENT T25 FM Transmitter car Bluetooth adapter, a compact yet powerful device built for seamless in-car audio and charging. Whether it's streaming music, taking hands-free calls, or keeping your devices powered, this little adapter delivers reliable performance every time you drive. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the LENCENT T25 car Bluetooth adapter, user manual, specifications, how to use. Insert the adapter into your car's cigarette lighter socket. The screen will power on and show your car battery's voltage. To set the frequency, use the control button to select a free FM frequency on the adapter. Then tune your car's FM radio to the same frequency. For phone pairing, turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone, search for LENCENT T25, and connect. Once paired, it will automatically reconnect every time you start the car. For music, stream wirelessly from your phone via Bluetooth, or plug in a USB flash drive, or insert a micro SD or TF card. All music will play through your car's speakers. To adjust the volume, rotate the multifunction button or short press to play or pause the music, and press the previous or next songs buttons to switch songs. For hands-free calling, when a call comes in, press the main button to answer or hang up. Hold the button to reject a call. The built-in mic with noise cancellation keeps calls clear. You can charge your devices by using the dual USB ports, which charge two devices at once, safely and efficiently. And if you're using maps or GPS apps, the voice directions will play through your car speakers so you never miss a turn. That's it. Plug in, tune, pair, and enjoy wireless music, charging, and calls in your car with LENCENT T25 car adapter. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.